Have you tried the also famous banana oat pancake recipe and failed miserably? Well, I feel your pain because I've tried this recipe several times and failed as well. But I've come up with the perfect technique and the perfect recipe that's gonna give you the perfect pancakes every single time. So, welcome to my kitchen. My name is Rosanna and let's get started. This recipe is amazing and genius. It's a great way to start your day and it's super easy to make. So we're going to add all the ingredients in a blender. First, add your eggs, vanilla, and hazelnut milk or any other milk you may have around. Almond milk is great as well. Now the bananas, pecans, oats, baking powder, and cinnamon. And let's not forget the salt, which will help all the flavors bloom and open up. Now blend well until smooth. And here is the consistency we are looking for. It's a well-balanced mix, not too thick or thin, just perfect. Know that if it ever came out too thin, you can add some more oats to get it to the right consistency. Off to our stove. I'm using butter for a little more flavor. This is my personal preference, but you can use coconut oil if desired. Let it melt and add a medium-sized full ladle in. If needed, you can also mold carefully with your spatula to get a perfect circle. For some reason, the bottom of the pancake will tend to brown faster, so just wait until you see the edges all around the pancake start to crisp up and check to see if you have a golden brown color at the bottom. If so, turn it. The key to a perfect pancake is to make sure it cooks all the way through. It's super important you cook at a low temperature. I'm personally cooking on a 3 to 4 temperature in my electric stove, so very low. At this point, the bottom touching the surface will take a bit longer to brown, giving the pancake enough time to cook, watch it brown, and fluff up beautifully. It's going to take roughly about 2 to 2.5 minutes on each side for it to cook completely. And now we're just going to repeat until we have all of our pancakes done. As you may have already noticed, I'm using a pan, but the options are endless. If you have a larger surface to cook these in, even better. That way you can cook more at once and cut on your cooking time. These pancakes are incredible, but I was so disappointed when I first made them. They were so mushy in the middle, so after many attempts, I figured out that they needed to be cooked at a low heat to allow them to cook all the way through. The issue was they were browning fast, but not cooking entirely. I'm still amazed at how incredible these taste and fluff up. You are going to feel great after you eat them. They are definitely worth making. I've decided to use strawberry sauce for my pancakes. In a saucepan, add strawberries, sugar, and vanilla. That's simple. Let everything come to a boil at a medium heat. We're looking for our strawberries to soften up and a glossy, thick glaze to coat them. You will also notice the bubbles will decrease in speed and become thicker when it's ready. And this is what I'm talking about. It's ready. You can wait for it to cool as it is and coat your pancakes, or you can blend well, let it cool, and then use. Okay, so I'm going to dress my pancakes with a beautiful line of bananas, strawberries, and drizzle the sauce over them. I've also had them with pancake or maple syrup, and they are also great options. Depends on what is more appealing to you and how you want to serve them. These are still, with no doubt, perfect in every way. Overall, I have to say I'm super happy I didn't give up, and now I can share my tips so you can enjoy as well. Okay, I'm so excited and ready to taste. But first, as always, I would like to invite you to subscribe, like, and share this video, and also don't forget to click the notification bell so you're notified every time I upload a new recipe. All right, it's time. Okay, so you've seen how beautiful these are. They're fluffy and they're so delightful. Also, they're nutty and packed with flavor. That vanilla and cinnamon really make these pop. And remember that banana is not only for flavor, but they also make it really moist. All right, so here is this recipe. I hope you enjoyed it. We reached the end of the video. Remember, you can follow me on Facebook and Instagram. And thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful rest of your day.